Welcome to my channel. Today we discuss how we can download and install WhatsApp GB. So let's start. First you need to open your Chrome browser and type GB WhatsApp APK. Here you can see first link, so open it and scroll down. Here you can see a red color option for downloading, so click on it. Then again scroll down, you can see again downloading options, so download, give it some permissions. As you can see, our APK file is downloading. After complete the downloading, click on it, and here you can see an install option, so install it. Finally, our GB WhatsApp is now installed. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.